Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, your go-to channel for everything crypto, blockchain, and beyond. Today, we're tackling a topic that sounds like science fiction, but is becoming a real-world game-changer: quantum computing and how it could impact the world of cryptocurrency. Quantum computing is advancing faster than ever, and while it promises incredible breakthroughs in science and technology, it also raises critical questions for blockchain security and the future of digital assets. In this video, we'll cover what quantum computing is and why it's revolutionary, the risks quantum computing poses to cryptocurrencies, how blockchain projects are preparing for a quantum-powered future, what you can do to secure your assets as quantum technology evolves. Let's dive into this mind-bending topic and explore the intersection of quantum computing and crypto. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Part 1. What is quantum computing? Before we talk about its impact on crypto, let's understand quantum computing. Traditional computers use bits, ones, and zeros to process data. The quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to a phenomenon called superposition. This allows quantum computers to solve complex problems exponentially faster than today's most powerful supercomputers. For example, calculations that would take a traditional computer thousands of years could be solved by a quantum computer in minutes. Why it matters: quantum computing will revolutionize fields like medicine, AI, logistics, and, of course, cryptography, which is the backbone of blockchain technology. Part 2. How could quantum computing threaten cryptocurrency? The core issue lies in cryptographic algorithms, which secure blockchain networks like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. 1. Public and private keys. Crypto wallets and transactions rely on private keys and public keys for security. These keys are generated using algorithms like RSA and ECDSA, which are extremely secure for classical computers, but vulnerable to quantum attacks. Why? Quantum computers can execute a process called Turing's algorithm, which could theoretically break these cryptographic keys, exposing wallets and transactions to theft. 2. Mining and consensus mechanisms. Quantum computers could also undermine blockchain consensus mechanisms like proof-of-work power by solving mining puzzles faster than classical computers, leading to centralization or even network attacks. 3.51% attacks. If a quantum computer gains enough hashing power, it could execute a 51% attack, where one entity controls the majority of the network and can manipulate transactions. Part 3. How is the crypto industry preparing? Thankfully, blockchain developers are already working on quantum-resistant solutions to future-proof cryptocurrencies. 1. Quantum-resistant cryptography. Algorithms like lattice-based cryptography are being developed to secure private keys against quantum attacks. These algorithms are resistant to both classical and quantum threats. 2. Post-quantum blockchains. New blockchain projects, like CAN platform, are specifically designed to be quantum-resistant. Established networks like Ethereum are also exploring upgrades to make their systems secure. 3. Hybrid cryptography. Some projects are combining quantum-resistant cryptography with traditional methods to ensure smooth transitions as quantum computing advances. 4. Hardware wallets. Secure wallets like Elpal and SafePal are adopting advanced encryption techniques to protect users from potential quantum risks. Part 4. What can you do to prepare? As quantum computing advances, here are steps you can take to secure your crypto assets. 1. Stay updated. Keep an eye on blockchain projects that are adopting quantum-resistant cryptography. Follow updates from Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major networks. 2. Use secure wallets. Hardware wallets like Elpal and SafePal offer robust security and are constantly evolving to meet future threats. 3. Diversify your holdings. Invest in projects like CAN platform or other blockchains explicitly built to handle quantum computing threats. 4. Long-term planning. If you're holding crypto as a long-term investment, ensure you have a strategy to transition your assets to quantum-resistant platforms when they become available. Part 5. The future of quantum computing and cryptocurrency. While the risks are significant, quantum computing also brings exciting opportunities for crypto. 1. Improve scalability. Quantum computing could solve scalability issues, enabling blockchains to process transactions faster and more efficiently. 2. Enhanced cryptography. New quantum-resistant cryptographic methods could make blockchain networks even more secure than they are today. 3. Smarter contracts. Quantum AI could revolutionize smart contracts, enabling them to handle complex calculations and decision-making. The bottom line: quantum computing is both a challenge and an opportunity for cryptocurrencies. The projects that adapt will thrive in this new era. Conclusion: quantum computing is one of the most exciting and disruptive technologies of our time, and its impact on cryptocurrency cannot be overstated. While the risks are real, the blockchain industry is taking proactive steps to prepare for the quantum future. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our deep dives into the future of crypto and finance. Thanks for watching.